The versatility and the options are just endless. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I came here to show you how I prep my natural hair to put my clip-ins in, and how you need to stop blending your hair with your extensions so you can get the best look ever, okay? This is how you, come on, this is the best look ever. We're serving perfect, we're serving everything. I'm so happy because this is the look I've been trying to achieve for so long. 16-year-old me would be so proud right now. Like, you have no idea. I've always wanted hair like this. Always. And when I first got the Bellamis, obviously they were giving, but it was a little flat for me. Added the Maxful hair on top. Come. I'm killing this. I really love this. It's bomb. If you just, want to see how I maintain my hair underneath and how I just am able to just rock these every day, just go ahead and keep watching this, because I can't even stop looking at myself. It's so pretty. Come on, I love this. This is dope, man. Let me know if you like it. Anyway, enjoy. Hello. First, I'm going to start off by wetting each section. I'm not going to saturate it too much. I'm just going to get it damp a bit to blow dry. I don't like to blow dry on dry hair. I don't know if that's standard or not, but I'm just going to detangle, get all the kinks out, and then take the blow dryer to it. After I'm done blow drying the section, I'm just going to twist it up and set it aside until I'm done. Now it's time to create our U part. You're just going to take a section off the front. Now, it doesn't matter how much you take off. I guess it is entirely up to you and what styles you want to achieve. But try not to take too much, obviously. Then I'm just going to twist up the hair that's going to be tucked away at the back. And I'm going to do that to both sides. It's time to straighten. So I did leave some of the hair already straightened for you to see. I am going to use heat protectant. I'm going to rub it into my hands and I apply it onto the hair. Then I use my Keracare wax stick. This helps blend my hair with the extension. After that, I'm just going to straighten it out and proceed with each section. I like to use smaller sections because I think it gives a longer last, and also it just gets it straighter. I like the results more. When I take my time and do smaller sections, it definitely comes out better. And that Keracare wax stick just really, I don't know. I feel like I always disliked that greasy look or whatever it's doing. But it's not greasy at all. Even though it is greasy, honestly, I'm not even sure. But this is the back of my head. You see, it's just placed however. I just bobby pinned it up and I'm just going to clip the extension on. Now, when I clip the extension on, I am going to apply a slight pressure at the back because that hair isn't straightened at the back, then it does have a slight poof. But if you just put a little pressure before you put the clip on, then it makes it pretty flat. I'm just going to keep adjusting the clip until I get it the way I want it. I'm going to just twist up my bangs and fix up my edges with my gel. And then I'm going to put the wax stick on the tips, on the ends of my hair, and then use the curling wand to blend the tips of my hair with the extensions, because that is where I feel like you see the most visible difference between my hair and the extension. But overall, I really like how this came out. I normally wear a headband, but I did want to just show how you can just blend it in still with the U part, and it looks great. So I wanted to show you exactly how I put my clip-ins in, starting from the back. There is no true method that I use. I just put them in however, whenever, whatever is gonna fit where, whether it is a 3-clip weft or a 4-clip weft. If it's a 4-clip, I'll try and start it, off to the side of my head and trail it to the back. But ultimately, there is no just, oh, yep, put the 3 clips here, put the 4 clips here. I genuinely don't think that's the way to do it because everyone's head's a little different, everyone's shaped a little different, and you may want a different look, especially since you have the option to layer the extensions up, put some higher, put some lower, and give a little bit more of a layered effect, a light layer. I love using clip-in extensions as opposed to wigs or tape-ins or anything like that, just because I like to take my hair out at night. So I like to be able to have my head free at night. Also, the versatility and the options to choose different styles, half up, half down, ponytail, braids, a half up, half down with braids in it. Just like the options are just, it's too many options. So that's why I really like this instead, because you can move the clips, you can move it where you want it to go to accommodate that style. In order to avoid damage, I feel like you really shouldn't be blending your hair with your extensions. Also, I feel like no matter what you do, there's always going to be that line of demarcation or even those slight differences you see in the extensions and your hair. Even here, you're going to see that I put this here. That normally never goes there. I just randomly put it there. That is what I mean by you can just put the extensions wherever. Doesn't matter, it can change day to day. There is no perfect way to do this, so please keep that in mind. I want to stress that because even when I was first trying to wear extensions, I always thought there was some perfect way to do it, and there isn't. Just put them in and move on. It's not gonna look the same every day. You can if you wanted to. For someone it will, but for me, it's not, so, or it won't. So yeah, I think this is the best method, and my hair is just growing so long, so fast. So I could definitely get away with just wearing my hair like this, but I don't like my 5 head exposed at all times. So I definitely just washed the 2 bang pieces that I cut, and I'm just going to blow dry those and stick them in like usual. I did end up washing those specific 2 pieces just because I do use that Keracare wax stick, and that buildup does get onto the extension, and that defeats the purpose of trying to make it seamless, because then the extension looks way shinier than my hair, and the point is for my hair to match the natural luster of the hair extension. I do want to say that my hair is heat trained, and that's why it does appear like this. As you can see, it looks very straight, and it looks like it blends nicely with the extension. If you want to know more about that, or about how to make ponytails and stuff like that with the extensions, I could definitely make another video for that, so just let me know. So this was on Thanksgiving. As you can see, I just threw my hair into a ponytail. It is a big buff ponytail, okay? I ended up just grabbing some bobby pins and clipping it like usual. I ended up grabbing a couple elastics just to make it tighter or closer together so that it's not so robust, and yeah. That's what it looks like after I'm done pinning it and using the elastics. You see I'm using a red scrunchie. It's not visible. Who cares? Who cares? You can use whatever. It doesn't matter. And then I'm just going to clip them on like usual. And I just want to show you another day of me doing this because I wear them daily. this was my finished look on Thanksgiving. I was so happy because I finally found a method that I really liked with both the extensions in. Look at this, I get to have the long flowing hair and my hair is just inches just coming in, flowing in, while I get to look this beautiful. I am obsessed with this hair. I cannot wait to try more color. I've always been a little intimidated by color, but I am here to show you, we're serving. We are serving. So, yes, I love the results. I hope you do too. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Until then, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.